You making a fish face? Whoa!
Bubbles.
He's coming to look at us. Gross, it smells yucky. Oh my gosh!
You watching the goats, buddy?
He's stealing your ride. Look at him, he's doing it too. Keep going.
Uh-oh. Silly duck.
Good job, honey. Oh my gosh, look at the little bandit. You see him? Hi, Akira. He likes your balloon. You say hi? Uh-oh. He popped it. Wait, your shoe.
And, oh, extra snacks.
Uh-oh, buddy, look who's coming.
No. Oh my gosh, he stole it. The Patchy's gone, bud.
He's looking at your popcorn. Yeah, he wants some. Oh, he took your hat. You dropped it in the bag. That's silly, huh?
Gentle, that's it. Ready? Go ahead. Oh my goodness.
Cozy, hedgy.
Smelling. Let's see where he wants to go.
Oh, I made it your ball. Your ball, baby.
Nice, huh?
Whoa! There's a frog in it. A frog? Yeah. He got me!
Whoa! Big dress too. Go ballerina.
Hello.
Oh, here he comes.
Hi. I'm Felix.
Uh-oh, he wants the stick.
Mine.
Hold on, buddy. Tug of war. Oh.
They just want the lettuce. It's tickling. Oh my gosh, he thinks your sock's a carrot.
Oh my gosh, he stole your sock. That's a great way to do playing board.
Give him a high five, buddy. Look at that. He's coming. It's the slowest high five in history. Great job. Got you. Come on, step back.
So we go past the giraffes, then the playground's right here.
And then ice cream.
Yep, and then, hey, buddy, not a snack. Hey. Oh, he's strong. Oh,
Wait.
No, God.
There he goes. You're fast, buddy. Oh, look at that.
Oh, my God. Stay still, buddy. They're chilling. All right, slow crawl. Let's see if they ride it out. I've got the carrot, guys. Hang.
The real bee likes your dance.
Careful, sweetheart. I'm right here. You showing it your battery? Look, it's coming over. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh, it's lighting it up.
You coming over? Oh. You liked your finger, huh? Just sitting there.
Oh crap! Oh my goodness, Draco! Go get it, buddy! Whoa! I'm You're doing great. See how still he's being? He just sneezed. You're okay, buddy. Okay, give it a big puff. There you go. Look, he's coming to see. Yeah, he likes them. Oh my gosh! Wow. He made one for you. You're doing great, little one. Oh, look, he sees your bunny ears. Haha, he's picking them up. Look in the mirror, you're a bunny.
Look at that long neck. Whoa. Oh, you silly turtle boy.
I got you.
You see him? He's checking out your stroller, buddy.
Hey, Llama.
He's sniffing Mr. Bear. Oh, a little spit. It's okay. He's just saying hi. Bear, wipe him off. Promise.
Okay, say cheese, buddy. Look here, big smile. Oh, hi, friend. Ah, he's right there.
He's smushing his nose just like you.
It's funny.
Yeah, it's funny. Look at that face.
Happy.
Face off. You ready?
Yeah.
Round one. Jump. Nice time. Okay, big jump coming up. Ready? Big, go.
He sees your kitty ears.
Oh, look at him staring.
Wait, he's got a leaf. Watch. Oh my gosh, he's like me. He's copying you. Tilt your head.
Oh, he's coming to see it.
Hi, Otter.
He likes you.
He likes me.
Whoa. Oh, buddy. He's filling up. Watch this. Watch out, he's gonna spray. Oh.
Pushing stroller.
He wants it. He wants to grab it.
You want to put it on her head? Nice and easy. Yeah,
You got it, buddy. Hold on tight. Look at you.
He's beating you, buddy. Keep going. Oh, wait, what's he doing?
Huh?
No way, he just moved into your shoe.
hold tight.
Okay.
Oh, he got your bow, not the ball. Guess you won that round, huh?
Okay, my ball.
Here comes the rooster.